Hello children, once again, good morning to all and I welcome you all to my channel. And in this video we will continue chapter 8, and in the previous video we have solved all the question answer based on the context, and in this video we will answer the following question. I hope you all have written all the word meanings and question answer from the context in your notebook. So let's begin today's session. Here you can see on page number 64, you can see answer these questions are given. First question is, why did Sklodowska family study together? Here you can see the Sklodowska family studied together in the evenings so that the parents, who were both teachers, could help the children. Who were the children? Joshua, Bronya, Hella and Zozio, including Manya. So now here you can see the answer. First, here I am going to tell you the meaning of the question. Why did Sklodowska family study together? It means in this question it is saying why they all, it means why the Sklodowska family studied together in the evening. So here answer is Sklodowska family studied together so that their parents could help them in their homework or studies. Sklodowska family studied together so that their parents could help them in their homework or studies. As your parents are also doing the same work, so that's why Sklodowska family studied together in the evening. Now second question is, what did Ladislav Sklodowsky want to ensure for his children? Ladislav Sklodowsky wanted to ensure that his children grew up with a respect for education. Here, who is Ladislav? Ladislav Sklodowsky is the name of Manya's father. It means Mary's father. Here, what did Ladislav Sklodowsky want to ensure for his children? He wants to ensure that his children grew up with a respect for education. Now question number 3 is, what was so special about Mary when she was a child? What was the specialty of Mary when she was just a child? When she was a child, she acquired anything. Acquired means to catch easily, to learn easily. Here the word acquired means learn easily. When she was a child, she acquired, it means she learned anything effortlessly. Her specialty was that, what was her specialty? Her specialty was that she read fluently. When she was just 3.5 years old, she was fluent in reading. So this is the specialty of Maria. Here, Mary. When was Mary born? When was Mary born? It's a very important question. Mary was born on November 7, 1867. Learn it. When was Mary born? Mary was born on November 7, 1867. Now fifth question is, why did Mary's mother, here apostrophe S is written, it means Mary ki Mataji. Mary's mother means Mary ki Mataji. Why did Mary's mother have to go to the sanatorium so often? Sanatorium is a type of hospital. During that time, a sanatorium is known as a type of hospital. Why did Mary's mother have to go to the sanatorium so often? It means अक्सर मैरी की माता जी जो थी वो सैनिटोरियम क्यों जाती थी? Why? Why did Mary's mother have to go to the sanatorium? So, here the answer is, Mary's mother had to go to the sanatorium so often for the recuperation treatments of tuberculosis. Here recuperation means recovery or treatment. We can also say recuperation means recovery from illness, because Mary's mother was also suffering with this disease. Which disease? Tuberculosis. So Mary's mother had to go to the sanatorium so often for the recuperation treatments of tuberculosis. Now the sixth question is, what was the greatest tragedy of Mary's life? Here tragedy means incident. What was the greatest tragedy? Death of her sister and mother was the greatest tragedy in Mary's life. Now seventh question, it is asking that how did Mary's father lay the foundation of her future? It means how did Mary's father lay the foundation of her future? Mary's father laid the foundation of her future by teaching her about different languages. It means जो मैरी के पिताजी थे उन्होंने मैरी की जो एजुकेशन थी उसका जैसे कि फ्यूचर में वो एक अच्छी शख्सियत बन सके, इसके लिए उसके पिताजी ने क्या कहा था? फाउंडेशन ऑफ हर फ्यूचर, उसका अपनी बेटी के भविष्य के लिए. हियर यू कैन सी Mary's father laid the foundation of her future by teaching her about different languages. Who teaches? Lady Sklodowsky. It means Mary's father taught her about different languages, and he also taught physics and chemistry to her. Now, eighth question is, what was Mary's dream as a child? When she was a child, what was her dream? Here you can see Mary's dream as a child. जब वो छोटी बच्ची थी तो उसका ड्रीम था using science and medicine to help the humanity. कह रहे हैं मानवता की सहायता करना through science and medicine and welfare of the people, और लोगों की भलाई करना. It was dream of Mary. Now the next question. Who looked after the family after the death of Mary's mother and eldest sister? It means in this question it is asking that who looked after. कह रहे परिवार की देखभाल किसने की after the death of Mary's mother and eldest sister. मैरी की माताजी और उसकी बड़ी बहन की डेथ के बाद पूरे परिवार की देखभाल किसने की? Here you can see the answer. Mary's sister Bronya. Mary's sister Bronya looked after the family after the death of her mother and eldest sister. You have to learn only the name of her sister, that is Bronya. Now the 10th question is, how did the teachers in Mary's school deal with the Russian inspector? By putting forward. कह रहे हैं कि जो मैरी के स्कूल के जो टीचर थे वो रशियन इंस्पेक्टर से कैसे डील करते थे? बाय पुटिंग फॉरवर्ड मैरी स्क्लोडोस्का. हमेशा मैरी स्क्लोडोस्का को इंट्रोगेशन के लिए आगे कर दिया जाता था बिकॉज शी लर्न्ड मैनी लैंग्वेजेस. By putting forward Mary Sklodowska for interrogation, the teachers in the Mary school dealt easily with the Russian inspector. इस तरीके से मैरी के जो स्कूल के टीचर्स थे वो इजीली डील कर लेते थे रशियन इंस्पेक्टर से. Why? By putting forward Mary Sklodowska for the interrogation. So, I hope you all understood today's question answer session. And now what you have to do? You have to learn all these word meaning properly. And once again, before you are going through these question answer, you have to read once again the whole chapter carefully. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.